and we let the radish go to flower. Hopefully we'll have some radish seeds next year. And I don't know, if it rains, it's gonna get a whole bunch of good water. I think the cats are really gonna like this spot over here next year.
Yeah, they realize it's catnip.
Hmm. The catnip is all right, man. And then this one is as tall as I am. I was making fun of it in May, but now it almost touches the damn roof. Yeah. And we got little buds here. Oh, look at that. Is that a bee? Pollinate, my man. Pollinate. This is very nice. I like what we did here. I like with the two the same and the two the same. So, yeah. Stable? It's
Yeah,
stable like that?
yeah, yeah. Got to brace it so as it settles in, it ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.